So we are out at the bus today. We're going to be working on the sunroof. Honey, would you like to tell them what you're doing to the sunroof?
So we're installing 2 skylights. This one already has some supports right where we need them, so we don't have to do too much prep. But on this one, we have insulation all right here with nothing that we're gonna have any supports or anything to anchor to. So we need to cut some blocks and put them in before we start building our box. To make things a little bit easier, we're going to square these up so that way our boards can fit nice and snug, less we have to do to our boards to make it fit. So we're going to square it up like I did right here and cut it off, and we'll do the same thing on the underneath. So how we're going to build these is, first we're going to take our 2x6s, we're going to build a box for it to fit in between the hole and the roof, and then we will cut the 2x6s down, so about 5 inches of it will be what I'm going to call the base, and then the other 2 inches is going to be the lid. So we'll cut about this much off all the way through the board, and then we'll put weather stripping in between those. Once the lid is built and separate, we'll put these guys, we'll screw these guys on top along with some sealant, and we have the waterproof for it as well. Done. Gonna take the top half and we're going to essentially build the same size box here, and then we will lay our weather stripping down going up around the edges. Take the inside of this and we'll put, so once this is here, we'll have our latch system either on this side or that side, and one of us will be on top of the bus pushing down on the top while the other is screwing in the bottom half of the lock. just threw this in. So then we'll screw, we got our side supports in, so we'll screw this all into the sides. We'll have our latches right here. That we'll have to compress it down, like we said earlier, and voila!
Yay! It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful butterfly.
I was gonna...
So we're going to screw this down now. We'll probably do 5 to 4 along each side. When screwing into this, it's a good idea to pre-drill your holes a few times. You can use, I use a smaller bit so that way it doesn't crack, and then work your way up a couple bits just to widen it very slowly. It is more time consuming, but in the long run, it'll save yourself a crap.
A super important tip when you put your sunroof on is just to make sure that you do unlock the latch, because we are stuck on the roof now. So we'll figure it out from here. Luckily we have the back door open. God. So we just got this sunroof up. It looks great. We're still gonna put a handle right here just so we can tightly close it. But it is glorious. Yay. It looks so good.
Woohoo!
Good job, honey.
Thanks.
Naked window.